LML owners, do you believe that if your truck stays stock, it'll last forever? Have you heard about the major design flaw that will have you reaching into your bank account and spending all your hard-earned money? This is the reality of the CP4 pump used in all LML Duramax trucks. The CP4 pump is a simply built pump, but is very susceptible to fuel contamination and requires good lubricants to keep it from creating metal particles and dispersing through your whole entire fuel system. Will you know when this happens? Well, not always. Metal is present before the issues start to arise. This can be in the form of misfires, extended crank times, and even complete no-start conditions. Once these issues start to arise, you will most likely need a full fuel system replacement. Some preventative measures to take would be installing a high-quality lift pump and filter system, such as FASS fuel systems. This is a tried and true method to deliver the best quality of fuel to your injection pump and injectors, giving you reliability while keeping you on the road and out of the shop. Do you need a shop to install this? No. If you're handy with tools and have some free time, instructions are simple and easy to follow. A FASS fuel pump should be the first on any shopping list to save you the money and heartache of the dreaded CP4 disco party. Another thing to take into consideration is the CP3 conversion. This install in terms of time is a lot more labor intensive, and you will be diving a lot deeper. Not an install for an amateur. The CP3 conversion will bring you peace of mind that your fuel system will last for many years to come. It's never too late to start looking after your truck. Get a fuel system checkup today and catch a problem before it starts.